Hey, I'm going to tell you a little bit about RealSatisfied. Some of you are a little confused on that, and frankly, I had forgotten all about it. So I feel your pain, but let's take a peek. I think it's a pretty awesome tool. It's free. The front desk can send it out for you, and you can get some good publicity. So what is RealSatisfied? It is a customer satisfaction survey. You get the report back, so you find out how people felt about your work. B, maybe even more importantly, is you have a nice pretty post to share to Facebook that is what's called social proof. You know, nobody cares that you say you're awesome, but if your customer says you're awesome, then that goes a long way. So this is what it would look like. This is one from our own Matt Sudar. So you see, when it comes back, RealSatisfied gives it to you in a format that's easy to share to Facebook, and it looks really professional. So let's take a look at how it would work. First of all, let's log into RealSatisfied. You'll have to set it up the first time through. It's not a big deal, but you do have to set it up like anything else. So your dashboard looks something like this, you guys. You're going to go in here and edit. You're going to put in your information, upload a photo. So my profile's been updated. If I click on the invitations tab, this is where the action takes place. So I haven't invited any sellers. Again, I'm not using this myself, so I'm not trying to make anybody feel bad, but we should be using it. So I just sent myself an invitation just to show you how it would work, but this is where you would go. If you had a seller, you click invite seller, you put down what their property address was, the seller's name, what you want it to say. So this will appear after the word dear. So don't put dear Bob, or it'll say dear Bob. Just put Bob, dear Bob, and then their email address. So this is how it shows up in your client's inbox. Once you send it, they get something very professional looking. If I click start survey, this is what the buyer or seller is going to be taken to. Again, branded, nice looking thing. Who are you? I'm a male, 45 to 59. Not sure why that's important, but how did you hear about Northeastern Group Realty? I'm going to say I was referred by a friend. Did you consider other brokers? Yes. All right, so I'm gonna just go through here and just check everything. Any other comments? This is where they'd say, you know, Matt was awesome, Jody rocks. All right, we're getting there, you guys. Help Chris out by providing a testimonial. So here's your positive feedback. So they take whatever you put down and they put it here. Okay, so if they want to add, it's super easy. They just say, okay, this great stuff I said right here, I want to add that. And Elena was amazing, I want to add that. And this one I want to add. There, my name and location. Or they could say, I prefer not to leave a testimonial at this time. All right. So then they get a thank you. Here are my reports. If I go to that, I'll show you a past one. I did this, use this a couple of times. Let's look at the testimonials. Okay, I'm going to view my testimonial. So here it is. This is one Heidi and I worked on, a fella. So I can download this by right-clicking and save image as, and then I can share it to Facebook. Right-click, save it to your desktop, then post it to Facebook with some nice, I'm so grateful for my clients, etc. So that's how this thing works. Good news too, if you don't want to take those few little steps to send it, you got to remember to tell the front desk to send it. And all you got to do that is when you turn in your closing check, just put a sticky note on there that says RealSatisfied. They just need the email address to send it to. All right. Try to make it easy on you. All right. Let me know if you got questions, you guys. All right. Happy selling. Bye-bye.